in the Florida Panhandle east on the I-10. Okay, so anyway, I had a flat tire, and this tire I've been watching since Lordsville, New Mexico, because it was kind of crowning, and eventually it blew about 1,500 miles later. So the Lord gave me the grace and the tools and the temperament to change it, and so now we're going to have to find a tire shop because we don't want to go too far without a spare. So God bless for now. Over and out. So we are in Gainesville, Florida at Discount Tire, and we spent the night here because I discovered after the second blowout that this other tire here, this one that's flat, you can see it's flat, that it wasn't holding air, which may have been the reason why this one here went flat, because it was carrying the whole load. So we've decided we're gonna get some new tires here at Discount Tire today. Hopefully they have what I need.